Hi, my name is Ranger Delaney.
I'm here to tell you why the Grand Canyon is the best national park. The Grand Canyon is amazing. There are many layers to the Grand Canyon. My favorite layer is Redwood Limestone because it is dark red color. It is the 8th layer of the Grand Canyon. What about fossils? Fossils are amazing rocks where we can see plants and animals from long ago.
Here is a fossil. Look at its details. Wow, I wonder how old it is. In the Grand Canyon, you will see many types of rocks like the metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary. Igneous rocks are made from volcanoes. Metamorphic rocks are made from heat and pressure. Sedimentary rocks are made with layers over time. The Grand Canyon is a great place to visit. Take your family or students to enjoy the Grand Canyon National Park, America's greatest idiom.